Hey everyone, Marianne Gillespie, CEO over at Apple Coaching and Consulting here. Here's a little listing tip. If you're not getting a huge return on your listing and any of the marketing that you're doing, and you're telling me, oh, I'm putting it on social media and I'm not getting any traction from it, before you go writing checks for like $8,000 to $10,000 for somebody to teach you how to do a real estate post, let me just chunk it right down to the easiest answer I could give you. Everybody picks a listing. They get like 7 seconds to see it online, and every post looks the same. It's like white noise. It's a picture of the house with the price, maybe the neighborhood name, and how many bedrooms and bathrooms it is. Well, whoop-de-ding-dong. What does that tell me? It tells me nothing. If I'm not even from the area, how do I know? I don't know. I mean, it looks like a good front picture, but I mean, I'm just making it about the price at that point. And I might, or the way our brains work is it'll look and it'll see. If it's a small house with a big ticket price, I'm not even gonna look at it. Here's the thing, that house could be 1 block from the water. I could be a triathlete, which I am, and it could be 1 block from the water, it could be next to a bike trail, and it could be on a running path. Then that whole house becomes a lot more valuable. So my question to you guys is this: are you marketing your listings so that they're like white noise on the market? Or are you taking those listings and you're saying, hey, if you are an outdoor enthusiast, watch these 3 videos that I'm posting clips on, or the montage that I've done to show you how many amenities for an outdoor enthusiast are around this area. How many are there? And you do a few video clips. Boom. Here's the walking path. 2 minutes from your house leads to all these areas. Here's a biking path. The top city biking path takes you all the way downtown in 15 minutes on your bike. Here's the water. You are 2 blocks from the beach. If you're a swimmer or just a beach lounger, this is the perfect location for you. That's how you should be marketing your listings. It is the most boringest thing. Listen to what consumers say. They don't respond to it. The house is where you're going to live. The location is the most important thing. It's been around since the history of real estate. So honestly, what type of buyer is that house great for? And what are you doing to show them that that is the perfect house for them? We're in a market right now where you have to sell your listings. So be really cautious that you aren't just throwing up posts with no return and you're saying, oh, I guess I'm just not, and nobody gets returns. No, it's just people have only a few seconds to look at your listing online. They want to know, is this the house for me? If it's a handyman special, I love that. You see it all the time. Only handymans are really going to look at that, right? I'm not going to look at it. I don't want to fix a fixer-upper. But if it's a house, like I said, it's an outdoor enthusiast, I'm going to read it. I'm going to look at that house, and I'll probably come to your open house. But all of you guys who are just posting up the generic stuff, be very careful. It's always been location, location, location. So explain to the person what is perfect about this house and this location, who is the ideal shopper, who is the ideal buyer for that house, and then market to that consumer, and then watch your traffic increase, but equally watch your leads increase, and you will get a lot more responses from people. Try that tip.